Greetings, folks. William Caleb back at you again. I just wanted to do a quick little video here, and as you can see, we're here in Port Arthur, Texas. This is the seawall. It's a lovely day. It's beautiful, and it's great when you can come and celebrate life. Take a few days off from whatever gig you might have, and think about what you're gonna do for the rest of 225. Are you gonna keep working that same job? Well, I'm telling you, if you're anything like me, you don't want to keep working the 9 to 5. You want to start doing something on the side. When you have those little bits of minutes, maybe that hour or two that you got that's for free, you're off, you don't have to worry about kids per se. It might be the middle of the night you woke up. What are you going to do with that time? It's a special time for you to get online and learn digital marketing. Learn how to make money online with digital products. Digital products are downloadable type products, stuff like PDFs, reports, all those type of things, ebooks, software. There's software for everything that makes people's lives easier, that makes the jobs they're doing easier. All this stuff with AI, if you just learn simple digital techniques, I'm telling you, there's additional money you can be making right now, in addition to what you already do. You don't have to quit your job right away. I wouldn't advise it because you'll end up getting stuck. Not the situation I've got. I probably would have done a little bit of building up, and I have to go and find a little second gig here, a little part-time thing here, just to get some additional bread for wanting to put back in marketing, to recirculate this thing back over, and to put into more digital marketing promotions. You see what I'm saying? That's all it is. Just recycling your money back into your digital marketing business. Look, I compiled the best digital marketing trainings you can get all in one place. How to pick the product, what niche you should be selling in, how to put all the stuff together, where do you get people from? Because with the greatest ideas of mine, you're going to need people to come see it. And few actually go into the ins and outs and full details of that. But I got you on that. Go ahead to easymoneySchool.com/evergreen profits. I'm the curator. I did all the studying and compiling for you and put it together in one big fat download, or you can just listen to each individual lesson individually. You can watch each video individually and or download them. It's at your own leisure. I put it real easy and simply laid out in an orderly fashion. Once again, go to easymoneySchool.com/evergreen profits. William Caleb once again. Beautiful Port Arthur, Texas. Look at that job. Seawall. Right here. The life. This is the life. Who said PA wasn't all that? It's PA, y'all. Y'all might have heard about it from the famous rap group Underground Kings, UGK. This is the land of the trail. Peace and light. Everything's gonna be alright.